Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to unzip files using PowerShell. PowerShell has the ability to zip and unzip archives. Unzip process is even easier than compressing them. All you need is the source file and a destination for the data ready to unzip using the expand archive commandlet. Let's start. Type or paste red keyword same in PowerShell and change green keywords according to your file's path. For unzip, expand archive, literal path, zip file path in inverted single commas, destination path, output folder path in inverted single commas. Go to Start menu button and then search PowerShell. Once you get the PowerShell in the search result, right-click and run as administrator. Type expand archive literal path. Copy zip file folder path. Type or paste path in inverted single commas. Copy zip file name. Type / and paste zip file including .zip extension. Type or paste destination path. Copy destination path and paste into PowerShell in inverted single commas and hit enter. Unzip process takes time depend on file size. Congratulations, you successfully unzip file using PowerShell. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.